Hey guys, and welcome back to the scripting tutorial number 10, in which you are gonna learn about functions. So first of all, what is a function? Function you can call like a block of code which you can reuse and refer later in the script. I'm gonna show you how to make it. So first of all, you just write function, and then you need to enter its name. So let's just I'm gonna show you basic function, really basic one, but it can be any function, and I just call it add, and then those things, and then you need end, obviously. So yeah, that's a function. You can put end like here, and it still works, but it just makes script a bit bulky, and we don't want this. So what does that do? So I don't know, I'm gonna make a couple variables, maybe here, like local a equals I don't really know, 3, and local. Also, if you wanna know what does the local do, or what is local, you should watch my previous tutorials. And let's just enter b and call it like I don't know, b should be equal to 9 or 39, because why not? And we are gonna just do like this: print a plus b, not c but b, like so. And if we run, it should say, or just play, it does not say anything, and that's because you need to do like this: add, because it just creates it, but it doesn't run. Just I don't know, just makes like a variable, I guess. You can just make a variable, out of function. Let's just try to do that. Local add equals and function. And if we play, it should print 42, because it's the answer to all the universe questions and stuff. How does that work? So first of all, we did a just basic function, just function add, like so. And then we didn't draw this, so what does that do? It just sets those things to do stuff. And it just, sometimes if you browse around the wiki, it sometimes says this word, void, and that's not like void like black hole or something. That's thing that is in functions, and also when you write column and just I don't know, destroy, and this is called built-in function, which you are gonna learn next tutorial. This is a built-in function, and just basically does kind of the same thing, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So when it just says void in the wiki, that means function does not return anything, and we are gonna learn now what does returning mean. This function is void because it doesn't return anything, and if you wanna return something, you just write return. I think I gonna write like this: local c no answer equals a plus b, and then return answer. That's pretty simple. What it does, it just sets that if you call this function, or just write add in this case, it just makes things that this add thing equals this, or 42 in this case. So that's basically it for the functions, and let's try to run it. It should say nothing bad, because returning just doesn't do anything with that number, because if we call this function or just write add, we just set this function to have value of this variable. In this case it's just a plus b, which is equal to 42, and print answer. Well, it doesn't really want to see me in this suggestion bar. Oh, I know, that's because this also is just called local. This thing is also local, no matter it is in this thing or this thing, that's because it returns stuff, so it's just inside. I believe that's the case, and if we call add, it should print. Yes, it does print. That's nice. And the answer, just because script remembers that, but if you just call answer, it just does nil, because a value is not set to this and the b value is not set to this, so nil plus nil equals nil or something. So yeah, that's the case, and it printed 42, you know. So yeah, that's all the things I wanted to show you, and functions aren't that hard, you know. They just need to, you know, a bit of practice and you are gonna get a hang of it. And function is, as I said before, useful when you just want to do the same thing twice, just because you want to make things shorter, or just script to be particular. So yeah, that's all the things I wanted to show you, and I hope you liked this video, or I know dislike, because you have a reason for that. And make a comment, just write something, what did you like or what didn't you like, what do you have any opinions. And yeah, also if you want help, you could write in the comments. So that's it, and goodbye.